Okay, if you are logged in, you're going to go to your jams. The one we're going to edit today is this one. This is one, I'm just clicking off of, let's just keep it simple. So this is just a little short book. So you want to know how to reorder. Okay, we're just keeping it simple. So this is our response log. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to be like, okay, I want this picture over here. And I want this comment over here. And I want to add a caption. I want to, let's see, how about this one? This picture, none of them are duplicates. If there was a duplicate, I would just take the picture and I'd drag it up here until this turns yellow, drop it. Are you sure you want to delete it? And I would say yes, and then it's gone. Something else to notice up here, it'll tell you how many responses you have. I have 10. You might be like, but I only have 7 of these. That's because for now, if you have sent in a caption with a picture, they are counted as 1, but they'll print as 2. So eventually this will say preview book, or these will be in 2-page layouts. So you'll see that on page 1, we'll have both the picture and the caption. These women, they're amazing. All right, more to come.